The COVID-19 pandemic has spread with alarming speed, infecting millions and bringing economic activity to a near standstill. As the world falls into a new paradigm of inflation, one asset remains a haven for investors, and that is none other than gold. Gold prices have surged in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic as investors look for safer places to park their money. The precious metal has rallied to $2,070 per ounce since bottoming on March 23 and increased the demand for physical gold delivery. As flight restriction impeded the flow of gold through the supply chain, cost of gold delivery increased as well. Physical delivery on the largest gold futures exchange in the world, the COMEX in New York, has reached all-time highs this year. In June, more than 170 tons were physically delivered. How are these global trades managed, and who is financing these operations? The answer is trade finance. Trade finance is the financing of goods or services in a trade or transaction from a supplier through to the end buyer. It accounts for 3% of global trade, which is about $3 trillion annually. Trade finance facilitates the growth of a business by securing funds required to purchase goods and stock. Managing cash and working capital is critical to the success of any business. Today, a leader in trade finance is rising up to the world. Introducing Remington Sterling, a company based in Scotland who provides financial services that facilitate trade and mitigate trade-related risks for companies doing business in emerging and developed markets. Founded in 2016, its core business involves creating financing structures that enable the buying and selling of commodities while mitigating risks associated with cross-border transactions. Remington Sterling is also present in Sao Paulo, Shanghai, and Hong Kong, serving clients from all around the world. Remington Sterling utilizes its credit analytics software that enables them to identify and participate in low-risk trade finance transactions. By doing so, they can substantially mitigate the risk of defaults and provide a healthy return for their investors. As of 2020, Remington Sterling also partakes in the trading of physical gold via forward contracts, as well as gold spot trading. This further provides a diversified hedge for investors as it enables the firm to provide a stable stream of dividend yield for their investors while increasing the firm's gold holdings. With a broad range of experience in finance, technology, and entrepreneurship, the management team works tirelessly to help the company develop, scale, and succeed. Remington Sterling makes trade finance investable while opening a $1 trillion opportunity for investors and bringing additional funding to corporates all around the world. Remington Sterling, your gateway to global finance.